Good. You gotta give me like a, we're rolling. Hey guys, welcome back to True Blue TV. I'm Brandon with the Turnkey Program. And today's my favorite day, not because it's Friday, but because it's Final Walk Friday. So here we are in St. Paul, and we've already walked through this property one time. And we're in the middle of the project. We'll have an attachment somewhere here on the screen. But as we walk through, we were just about to sand the floors to finish sanding them. The kitchen was not finished. Carpet wasn't laid, bathroom wasn't done. So I'd like to take you guys through this house and show you what we've done. So as we come over here, this house needed a lot of love. And by love, brightness, they can feel more cozy, and just anyone that walks in here wants to buy it. So we added carpet in here. Not only that, we tiled the bathroom. Originally, we were actually just gonna tile the floor and just have a basic tub surround here. But the homeowner actually came to us and said, hey, we have an extra tile. Is there any way you guys would run the tile up the tub? And I think it is a phenomenal finish. What comes included in here, what we did, obviously new light fixtures, new tub surround, pedestal sink, toilet, and paint. As we come into one of the bedrooms, last time we walked in here, it was an absolute disaster. We had materials all over the place. We have it cleaned up now, and we have some closet doors on. One nice touch that the homeowner requested as well is to put some of these corner shelves in. I think it adds a little bit of character. You can set family photos here, little plants. It was a great touch. In this bedroom, before, like I talked about, we had beams running across the ceiling. We had paneling all around the walls, and it looked just dark, and it wasn't very an inviting space. So we took all that off, removed the beams, fixed the ceiling, drywall, paint, and now it was a beautiful space. Now, my favorite part of this whole place is going to be the kitchen. Last time we were in here, it was just a blank space. What we actually did is added new cabinets, the gray soft close shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, backsplash, brand new appliances, everything stainless steel so it all flows nice together. Even though it's a little bit of a tighter space, I feel you still have a ton of room. Just come in here, the big sink, do all your dishes, set everything over here. While you're cooking, you have this extra space, little coffee nook, whatever you need. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, like I said, guys, today's my favorite day. It's a final walk, and it looks like we actually smashed this project. I'd say stay tuned to our channel as we have a bunch of people coming on soon. A lot of projects going on. Now we're about to hit the springtime. It's our crazy time, so stay tuned, True Blue.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.